Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X in a titanium Rush metallic. This one is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our Obsidian Rush interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides with our AEV badging and stitching up top, as well as our white stitching along the side. If we follow it all the way down to the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls to go alongside our massage seat settings. Of course, up top, we do have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. And inside, you'll find our infotainment system with built-in navigation to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Right below that, we have our push-to-start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start. Our dual climate controls. Additional storage down below with our 2 cup holders, our USB-C and USB charge port, shifter, trailer brake controls, and additional storage here along the side. In the middle, we have our wireless charging pad to go alongside our USB-C and USB charge ports, our AC outlet, and additional storage here inside of our middle console. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that, we do have our adjustable power side mirror controls. By our handle, we do have our power locks and our seat memory settings. And over here, you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. If you take a look up in the windshield, you'll find our heads-up display. And back down on the steering wheel here on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here in the middle. On the left-hand side, you'll find our forward collision alert, as well as our heated steering wheel controls and our cruise control settings. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera, and all your other settings here down below. Of course, up top we have our rear view mirror digital display that you can turn on and off by the flick of a switch to your liking, as well as our universal home garage opener, power controls for our rear sliding power window, and of course our power controls for our lovely power sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our Obsidian Rush interior leather heated seats on both sides, with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. Of course, in the middle we have our heated seat controls to go alongside our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, inside the seats itself, it does come equipped with these lovely cubbies inside, as well as additional storage here underneath when needed. We also have our cup holders here in the middle, and last but not least, we do have our power sliding rear window. Checking out the exterior here on the AT4X, we do have our GMC badge in the middle, up our grille with our front-facing camera right below, LED headlights and fog lamps, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with paint protection along the front. Down low, you'll find our 18-inch black rims on our Wrangler Goodyear tires. Power adjustable side mirrors up top with keyless entry handles, as well as tint in the rear window. If we make our way to the back here, you'll see we do have our AT4X badge on the right-hand side and the AEV badge on the left, our dual exhaust down below with our spare tire underneath, as well as our MultiPro tailgate. To control it, top button gets you the first half down, no problem. Of course, this can turn into a step when needed. And up top, second button gets you all the way down hands-free to lead you to our spray-on bed liner, and of course our 120-volt outlet here in the corner. And that is our 2026 GMC Sierra AT4X in a titanium Rush metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.